Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an antenna right at home. It helps you get good reception when the TV has no signal. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. I'm glad to see your support. Line up equal lines on the wooden stick. To mark. Use fixed nails. You fix it in the marked places. Once we're done, we go to the next step. Is to wrap those. This copper wire to that nail. Say it again. Now, screw up the loose nails. Now, let's make a connector. Antenna with TV. This is a very important connector. It's also very easy to do. Use adhesive tape to fix. Next, we're still going to cut off the outer layer of the remaining wire and use that copper core inside. Connect with copper wire when you're wrapped in nails. You wrap both sides. This is my TV. Before you plug in the antenna, it has no waves. Now I'm going to connect the antenna I just made to the television. Turn on the TV and find the channel. You will see the results. It's amazing. This signal will become clear. It can even capture more channels. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Share so that many people know about this trick. I wish you success.